Now, hi guys, welcome to the Bay Leaf Table. Today I am going to show you the easiest way how to make a very good and delicious cherry cake. So let's get started. For this recipe we will need 5 eggs, 2 cups of Greek yogurt, a cup of brown sugar, 2.5 cups of flour, lemon zest, a tablespoon of baking powder, pinch of salt, a tablespoon of vanilla extract, and 4 ounces of cooking oil. To begin, add the flour, baking powder, and salt into a mixing bowl. Give it a whisk, then add the eggs with vanilla, oil, brown sugar, and yogurt, and mix it well until incorporated. Now I'm going to add my lemon zest. I got here my 9-inch circular pan. I am going to line the bottom with parchment paper and add my mixture. Now I'm going to show you a trick. Just fold a square of parchment paper in half, then in half again to make a small square. Then fold into a triangle and round the edge with a scissor. Unfold it and voila, it will fit in the pan like a glove. Add the mixture into the pan. Now comes the fun part. I got 2 cups of cherries and I'm going to take the seeds out. If you have a seed remover, you can use it. I don't, so I am going to use my hands. This makes me think of the moments me and my sister, we used to climb the cherry tree back home because my mom would send us to get her like a bucket full of cherries for her to be able to can for the winter. If you want to eat, you have to work. I don't want my cherries to sink too much in my mixture, so I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of flour, mix them, and then add them on top. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees and bake the cake for 35 to 40 minutes or until golden brown. Let this cool off completely before serving. Now comes the fun part, tasting. I have some little squirrels that are looking over here. Come on in, girls. You want to taste?
Yes.
Go ahead.
Not good.
Good? What do you think on it? You like it?
Amazing.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did so, remember, subscribe right here, give me a thumbs up, comment below. In this corner right here, check out my previous videos. Bye!